today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit audio in Spotify for podcasters, whether you're cleaning up a long pause, tightening your intro, or fixing a small slip. These quick edits can make your episode sound more professional without re-recording. Start by opening Spotify for podcasters in your browser and heading to the episodes section. This is where all of your published episodes and drafts live, organized by title, date, and duration. If you manage multiple shows, double-check you're in the correct podcast before you proceed, so you don't edit the wrong file. Find the episode you want to refine and select it. You can search by name or scroll through the list. It helps to glance at the runtime and the published status, especially if you're returning to a draft you haven't finished yet. Selecting the episode opens its details page with options like description, artwork, and most importantly, the audio editor. Click Edit to launch the editing view. Give it a moment to load the waveform. Before you make changes, press play and listen through the section you plan to adjust, watching the waveform so you can spot where silences, breaths, or stumbles occur. Place the playhead a little before the target area so you can hear the transition in and out of your cut. Now trim or adjust the audio. Use the handles at the beginning or end of the waveform to remove unwanted silence, or highlight a specific segment and shorten it to tighten pacing. Make small, deliberate cuts rather than large jumps, and replay each edit to confirm it sounds natural. If you need precision, zoom in to see the waveform in greater detail. Aim to cut at 0 crossings or between words to avoid clicks. If the editor offers a fade option, add a quick fade in or fade out to smooth the boundary of a cut. Keep an eye on overall timing so segment breaks, ad markers, or references still line up after your changes. When the edits sound right, save your changes. The platform will process the update and you'll see a confirmation when it's done. Give the episode another quick listen from the start and around your edit points to verify everything exported correctly. That's it. Your episode now reflects the polished audio. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep refining your workflow a little each release. Consistent, careful edits add up to a more engaging show.